Hello everyone, it is Jonathan Akazdash here and welcome here to my YouTube channel. So before we have talked about Hema Chaudhary and now there is someone new called Durga Rai. Yes, I didn't used to know about her, but it seems like she was there from before itself. I was thinking to put a good new recipe for a food video, but when I saw this video my mind goes blank and I just can't think about anything else but putting another protesting video. So make sure you watch it until the end and share it if you think it is important. Okay? Watch.
पढ़े लिखे हो क्या तुम? कोई औरत अपोलॉजी कर रही है इतने समय से, समझ में नहीं आती, बात भेजे में नहीं घुसती। माँ बाप ने कुछ सिखाया कि नहीं सिखाया? इंसानों के जानवर, हमारे तो जानवर भी समझते हैं। बेवकूफ। नॉर्थ ईस्ट नॉर्थ ईस्ट नॉर्थ ईस्ट, क्या है नॉर्थ ईस्ट? इतने बदतमीज लोग हैं वहाँ। नाम खराब कर दिया नॉर्थ ईस्ट का और संस्कारों का। गो टू हेल, शट अप। क्या रे नॉर्थ ईस्ट क्या होता है रे? तुम्हारे बाप का है क्या राज? नॉर्थ ईस्ट से तो कुछ भी भौंकेगा, कुछ भी बोलेगा तुम लोग। ना औरतों की इज्जत करते हो, ना कानून की कोई मर्यादा रखते हो बेशर्मो। तुम कुत्ता खाओगे, तुम सही। हेमा का कुत्ता काट के खाओगे, उसकी काली को काट के खाओगे, सड़क के कुत्तों की फोटो डालते हो, मारा हुआ कटा हुआ खाते हो। तुम्हें शर्म नहीं आती? तुम लॉ नहीं तोड़ रहे, किसी औरत को गाली देते हो, मुझे 9 दिन ट्रोलिंग करते हो, उसको हेमा को ट्रोलिंग कर रहे हो। अगर शर्म है सीएम को बोल, मिजोरम में कुत्ता खाना बंद, नागालैंड में कुत्ता खाना बंद, और कितने और स्टेट्स बचे हैं वो भी हम बंद करेंगे, समझे? बाप में ताकत है, ट्रोलिंग करता बेशरम लोग। एफआईआर किया तो एफआईआर में लड़ना। साला कहीं का, कहते हिजड़ों की फौज है। हिजड़े हो तुम, हिजड़ो, समझे? तुम देश की रक्षक नहीं हो, ना संविधान की रक्षा कर सकते हो। यू आर यूजलेस क्रिएचर, लाइक अ मैगट, dirt, rascals.
Let me tell you one thing very clearly, that I don't know what do you know about hijras, but hijras are those people who are transgender and intersexual people who are working for nowadays in NGOs and healthcare sectors as well, who are presenting our India in national and international levels. And you are you are comparing those people with your criminal friend. That's just not gonna happen, and that is not fair. And second of all, who the hell are you to compare somebody's religion or tribe to somebody else? Do you know how many tribes are there in Northeast India? How many? 200 or maybe more than that. And you are comparing every one of those. Who the hell are you to tell somebody sanskar is not okay? Who the hell are you? What kind of sanskar did you get that you are going to tell what is somebody is doing wrong or right? In Northeast itself, there is lots of Nepali people and lots of Bengali people are out there who are watching you and who are maybe the descendants of your tribe itself. But you are doing like this and putting this kind of videos in social media. What do you think social media is? ये हगने का जगह है क्या? कभी भी कोई भी आके हग के चला जाता है? I can definitely understand that you are very much unsatisfied and very much heartbroken for your friend, but that does not mean you come in social media and you say like this. Think about your friend itself. Because of your words, she can face different kind of consequences in there. And guys, I will tell you one more thing itself, that Hemaji's mother and one of their friend from Mumbai itself, they have apologized. So I think we should stop this topic here itself. And you know about this kind of people like Durga Rai, we should not think about them. कुत्ता का आके कहीं पे भी कभी भी भौंकेगा तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं हम भी जाके कुत्ते को काट ले. Stop spreading hatred and start loving people. That will be much more better. And you are saying now the word hijra, at least they take money and give blessings in the name of God. But what do? You take money in the name of dogs from public, and then after you discriminate and disrespect those public itself. Think before you speak. I made this video on a special request of my own subscribers, and that's why I'm making this video, because they are offended. And the thing is, I do not want to spread any hatred about any person, but particularly this person have reached the knot, and I think this person should be taken down as well. So guys, for today, until this, I will say that if you guys have see and watch the video, and if you see the message is important, don't forget to share it. And if you like my channel, don't forget to subscribe as well. I'm a makeup artist, so I'll be putting more makeup videos and also some cooking videos because I love to cook. And if somebody speaks about this kind of racism words about each and everybody or anyone in future, I will definitely talk about it. So stay tuned until then and see you on my next video. Bye guys.